Okay, Bruce and Jennifer, here's gonna try to get you instructions on how to do the iPhone Android setup. Basically what you wanna do is go into the App Store, which, look for the app. I'm gonna hop into the App Store, and I already did a search for Crestron. When you do that, you're gonna see multiple ones. You wanna make sure to get the silver one here. So I already have it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click on open. Now, when you first get this app, it's gonna show as free with in-app purchases, and you'll see a little button at the bottom to upgrade. It is a $99 purchase. You should only have to do it one time, so long as you guys use the same Apple ID. Oh, I'm sorry, you're having an iPhone and a Droid, so on the Droid you will have to pay the $99, and on Crestron, or on the iPhone, $99 as well. So what you're gonna do is once you have this all loaded, yours is gonna be blank right here. And you're going to want to go ahead and add a site. So you click on this plus. Friendly name, you can call it whatever you want. I'm just going to call it Lee AZ. I'll say Lee AZ House. Use local project, that stays to on. Host name or IP address 192.168. Oh, 16. There we go. 168.1.20. Your HTTP port, 8181. Now your IP ID, this is where, for Bruce, you're gonna be 21. When Jennifer sets up her phone, you want that to be 22. So make note of this IP ID setting on the Droid there. So you're kind of looking at all these here. Address 2, this is how we do the remote access. So you can access it from outside of the home. And the app will automatically know whether you're home or away, so it's just important that you fill out both of these. So the remote address is bruceleaz.mycrestron, CRESTRON.com. So same thing on that HTTP port. You want to change that to 8181. The most important thing here is that enabled. I always forget that. So after you punch it in, you have to say enable to turn that on. Then when you're done, you just hit save. Now again, I have a ton of clients on here, so I've got to go through all those. But once you'll just see Lee AZ. Once you finish that, you click on it, it'll connect, tell you to rotate. And you can see right now I'm on LTE, so this is remote access. If I were to be on Wi-Fi and inside the house, it would connect as well automatically. One final step, so yeah, you can just see this is everything basically that's on the touch panels on the wall and whatnot. One final step to make your life a little bit easier when you're done. If you go into the settings, this is just general settings of your iPhone. You click on settings and you want to scroll down, you'll see the Crestron app somewhere. My phone was taking a while to populate. So Crestron. So again, on that silver app, and your settings here that you want to do is you want to lock the configuration, you want it to auto reconnect, and check for update. Everything else there doesn't really matter. The most important are lock configuration, auto reconnect, and check for update. And you can just go out of that, click on the home screen. If you want, you double tap and you can swipe away that app. The next time you start it up, for me, because I have multiple connections, this isn't going to work, but next time that you do start up the Crestron app, it'll just automatically connect to the house without you having to click on anything. Hopefully that helps you out. If you have any questions, you can call or text me. When it comes to the Droid, I've done about 5 or 6 Droids, but I don't personally have one. So I don't have a way to do a video, but it's going to be same thing. You're going to find an app store, go in and get that Crestron app and put in those same settings. So again, I will show you, well, I'll have to go change those settings. So hopefully you can rewind the video if you need, and that will get you up and going.